Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Chase credit card. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser first, and in the URL box at the top type in www.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Chase Bank. If you want to log into your credit card account, you'll need to log into your Chase online banking account first. So in order to do that, click on the sign in button on the right hand side of the screen. In the login screen, go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. Make sure to type in your information correct, and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password as well. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on forgot username/password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password or to look for your username. If you're not enrolled into Chase Bank online account, you'll need to go and click on the not enrolled sign up now link and follow the instructions in order to register for online access for your Chase Bank. Once you enter the credentials, click the sign in button in blue and you'll be able to log into your Chase online banking account. From the main homepage, choose the credit card option and you'll be able to get access to your credit card. That is how you can easily log into your Chase credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.